English or in Urdu, either way.
Somebody has the questioner from Palestine last week. He expressed his dissatisfaction from my answer. The question, the way I relayed the question or asked the question to Huzur, and he said I have mentioned a few points there regarding whether we can consider the hadith as a source of the tashri' or law in the Islamic law, and he mentioned 3 points. The first one was the eating of the donkey, whether it's permissible to eat a donkey or not, and the second one was to marry an auntie, the mother's sister or the father's sister. And those points that were not mentioned in the Quran according to what he says. And we got them, where did we get them from?
As far as the eating of donkey is concerned, I think it takes a donkey to eat a donkey. The Holy Quran speaks of hikmah. And when it stresses upon hikmah, so lots of things are left to hikmah alone. So donkey has no hikmah. So I request this gentleman to use his grey cells and hikmah. The Holy Quran does not declare unlawful so many animals which we do not eat. You don't eat lions, you don't eat tigers, you don't eat wolves, you don't eat dogs. So there's so many things which our conscience requires us not to eat. So in the Quran, it is said halalan tayyiba. So if they are not mentioned as non-halal, they are not tayyib anyway. So in this verse, the special mention is made here. After this, I'll turn to the next question.
Yajib. No, maybe I misunderstood.
What do you want to say?
He said a donkey eats a donkey.
It takes.
I say it takes a donkey to eat a donkey.
It takes.
A man without sense like donkeys would perhaps think of eating donkeys.
Yes.
But if you use your common sense, which is based on the hikmah of the Quran, which is so much stressed in the Holy Quran.
Yes, understood.
So why don't you use hikmah? There are so many other animals like crows, owls, and wolves, etc., dogs. You can count any number of them, but the Holy Quran did not give a full list of all these.
Yes.
Only it said one halalan tayyiba.
Yes.
They don't fall into the category of tayyib.
That's why.
So if somebody thinks them to be halal, they are not tayyib anyway.
Yeah.